seen how much alcohol I got in my bin. Go easy on me, sir. Please. I feel like my brain cells have been poisoned. And if you could, because I'm no longer controlled by COVID. One. Oops. Two. Oops. Three. Oops. I've got about 6 shopping buddies. Now I just need a beautiful tour hung scally barbarian to come out and scarf at me. No, I don't, because I've got my boyfriend for that. Michael Burton, should practice. Ready? Careful! You take me bloody bastard eyebrows off. You take me eyebrows off. Oh my god. Feels like I've had fucking 50 lines of coke. I'm gonna fucking lads. He's still there! Are you listening? Oh! I think you're there. Oh! He's still there. Good. I'm flying with a fucking pixie dust at the moment. I'm a bit pissed. I'm a scary good. Got told a few mornings ago down the breakfast bar. I'm intimidating and good and glad I am. These eyebrows are born to slay. Are you ready to see more of an Tescly Toscus fucking Gaylord? Fucking... Rupert! You ready?
Factory. He emphasized that the human hand is a masterpiece, remarkably dexterous and incredibly delicate, and recreating its capabilities is the hardest task of all. Yet Musk believes Tesla is currently the only company that possesses all 3 of these critical elements. A combination, he says, competitors like XPeng and Figure AI still do not have. XPeng's plan to mass produce iron in 2026 is bold, and the CEO's claim that robot sales will surpass car sales in 10 years shows strong confidence.
You wanna know what? Cause I'll buy all the pissing cars. I'll buy the pissing cars, brother!
It also carries uncertainty.
There's a Gaylord man, beautiful man, on TikTok. His name is called Shuniby. And it feels great to be as pissed as a skunk, because I've never been this pissed in years. Because of why? Because I've been too afraid of my heart. My achy breaky heart. Please don't see me in the stretch. And if you remember, my achy breaky heart, you might go up and stand. Would you like to see my tits? I can't show my dick for legal reasons because it's too big. My boyfriend's in it though. Would you like to see my tits? You ready? I know. Michelle's such a bloody bastard drunk girl tonight. She really is. Sorry. And if you cunts keep trying to stop me universal credit, I'm gonna shove a rocket up your ass. Leave my universal credit alone, you absolute tosh pits. Don't like you anyway, your mum's a fridge.
They still need to prove that enough malls, airports, hospitals, or theme parks are ready to buy and maintain fleets of
I feel like a bro man.
covered humanoids at meaningful scale. By contrast, Tesla
already
owns a perfect pilot customer for Optimus, its own rapidly expanding manufacturing network. In terms of global reach, Tesla also has a stronger brand, more factories, more software talent experience, safety-critical systems, and a clearer narrative about how robots fit into its existing AI and energy ecosystem.
Sorry,
X-Wing's
it's
iron absolutely
limited.
wins today if the contest is, who can make a humanoid robot look and move most like a human on
Yeah, but they
stage?
can't fart like I
And if the
can.
question is,
Ready? They can't fart like I can. Do you know what I mean? Shorty boy, hello. I'm gonna fall over me bed in a minute. Hang on. Before that, Gaylord dive. Ready? Oh. Help me. Jack saved me and two bloody pissed as a bastard alien and can't piss him off. Can somebody help me, please? I can't bastard move. I need a robot to pull me off the bed to bring me to life. I'll sing Evanescence. Evanescence. Bring me to life. Bring me up inside. Bring me up inside. Come in and save me from the dark. What is the percentage on this? I've had about 5 of these shots. Well, at least it's not TK cider and I don't taste Trump piss. I know, don't have TK cider and it does. It tastes of shit. Woman owned. Oh, really? Woman owned. Can we see that there? Woman owned. Thought I could taste a bit of lavender in the alcohol. Do you know what I mean? Jun jun. Do you like my tattoos? My boyfriend thought it was a fucking knife. Twat. No, don't have that because you're going to pass out. Block, 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 block goes the macaroni. That hammer stays on me. I've never been this bit of news. It was good. Pink lemonade. Actually tastes very nice. Oh no, I dropped my Gaylord phone. I don't want to buy one of these shitty phones as a Motorola. Honestly, the Gaylord Turnpike gay. Don't buy one. Right, let's go back onto the robots, please. Thank you.
Test is, who can make a humanoid robot look and move most like a human on stage? But if the question is, which platform is more likely to become the backbone of a global humanoid labor force over the next 20 years? Then, Tesla's approach with Optimus, focused hardware, deep integration with a proven AI stack, and immediate access to real industrial environments, still looks like the safer and ultimately more powerful bet, even in a world where XPeng is racing for...
This is scary shit, man. I don't like this. These corporations should be banned. We need to boycott these fucking bastard stupid companies. That's what I say to these companies. All you gotta do is get a massive, great big huge fucking sledgehammer and blow one bastard in the chest and it's dead. Rip the circuit board out. Bye bye, Mr. Nice Guy. What's all the fucking bastard Gaylord fucking Katy Perry Illuminati face mask for? What's that all about? Just to make it look nice. Because it's got cameras in it. Do you know what I mean? Just had a big boy race, so can't get past. Yeah, but just because they've got a big exhaust don't mean they've got a big cock. No, it means they've got a small one. I mean, I found that out in the past. I have actually. Block, 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 block goes back on only. The timer stays on me. They need to put bigger fucking telly on this wall, literally. Gives me migraines. I can't even watch the bastard. Most nights I sit out of my bed and I fucking break my neck because I'm like this. Oh, I can't even see the cunt. Do you know what I mean?
Even in a world where Xpeng is racing forward with solid-state batteries, 3 Turing chips, and ambitious forecasts. So, you will choose TeslaBot or Xpeng Iron Robot. Which company do you think is closer to achieving practical, everyday use for humanoid robots?
Me.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this breakdown of TeslaBot and Xpeng Iron Robot, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next deep dive. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Which robot impressed you more? See you in the next video.
Have you got private sick pay yet? It's 2025 and statutory sick pay in the UK is still only £100.
Okay, so this is the China bot, and this is the Tesla bot.
Let's read the comments. If it is too, then I'm pissed as a skunk. Companion, drive me anywhere I might like to go. For laundry, how will Optimus give a clean looking garment the sniff test to ensure that it looks clean? It might smell dirty but require a wash. Oh my god. Eye massage. Oh my god, it begins. This is scary. 4 days ago. 4 days ago, bruv. Let's make this madness end. Do you know what I mean? Let's all fart gas the companies into extinction so they can't breathe. Do you know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? Or what shall I say? Burger roots!
Yeah, we're not sure who would win if they got into a martial arts match, but Optimus Gen 5 was mentioned by Elon Musk.
If I got into a fight, I'd probably win, you know. I'd actually win. Just a bloody bastard skunk nunk. Skunk nunk. A skunk nunk is a new one for me. It really is. A skunk nunk is a new one for me, my ducks. It really is. I can't see because my Gaylord eyes are gone mort.
Absolutely cook like a human, preparing a full meal in just 2 hours. This is only the beginning.
Oh,
and that's
fuck
not
off.
even the biggest surprise.
It's too scary. We don't need robots in this life for anyone. We really don't. Can it replace my ex? No. It was too good at head. Can it give you a blowjob? Probably not. If it does it, if I can rip it off. I'd be like, oh yeah, Tom, oh yeah. He'd be like, ooh, faster, sir. I'm doing it as good as I can. And next minute, fucking grabs it with his hand. And next minute, ow! Think about from my boyfriend. A few years ago, I felt like having a sex change, but you know what I mean. I thought no, just in case. You know what I mean. Just in case. I mean, I couldn't have my cock fucking chopped off and ripped inside out. Why? Because it's 12 inches and too big. Me and my new boyfriend are gonna have a sword fight. A bit of this. Can't help it, a lady cock. Yes, I do. Like big cocks and chavvy men. Big cocks and chavvy men, hit me up, darling. If my boyfriend don't want me, you want me, I know you do. Oh. And a little bit of this and a little bit of that. Don't shake your bum. I'm fine. Do you know what people got asking me if I'm fine on TikTok? I'm fine, just pissed. Not allowed to be pissed, clearly. Do a panic and I'm going to be a shiny boy and fall over the door and fucking have the fire brigade to come and cut a hole in the doorway because his door's open. Ha! If there's any problem with me, I just jump out the window. Whee!
Welcome to my YouTube channel and TikTok. Tonight I'm going to sing Michael and